Knee Socks by Arctic Monkeys is based around this little E minor chord. I'm going to slide in from roughly 7 to 9 on the G, grab 8 on the B straight after. I'm going to slide into 10 on the B, grab 7 on the high E. Then I'm going to do the same thing, sliding in 7 to 9 on the G, grab an 8 on the B, slide in from 6 to 7 on the G, and grab 7 on the high E. So, and so far. Then slide in again from 7 to 9 on the G, grab 8 on the B, slide into 10 on the B, back down to 8. So far. Then slide in again to 9 from 7 on the G, grab 8 on the B, I'm going to slide in from 4 to 5 on the G, grabbing 7 on the high E. I'm going to play this twice. Okay, so far. Then we're going to slide in from roughly 7 to 9 again on the G, grab 8 on the B, and we're going to slide from 4 to 7 on the G, 9 to 11 on the G, 12 down to 11 on the G before we start the riff again. So really slowly the whole thing. Through the second time. The second time through the riff is exactly the same as the first until we get to the point where we slide to 5 on the G and play 7 on the high. So we're going to slide into 9 on the G and play 8 on the B as normal. Then we change here, we slide to 5 to 9 on the G string, 8 to 10 on the B, 12 down to 10 on the B, then play 8 on the B, 9 on the G before we go through the riff we played before, 4 sliding up to 7, 9 sliding up to 11, 12 sliding down to 11, then we're actually going to play 9, 11 on the G. So the whole variation slowly, we start off as normal with a slide to 9 on the G, grab 8 on the B, 5 to 9 on the G, 8 to 10 on the B, 12 to 10 on the B, 8 on the B, 9 on the G before we go through the slide from 4 to 7 on the G, 9 to 11, 12 down to 11, and then 9, 11 on the G. Okay, so we're a bit more up to speed there. A little pause before we play this E minor chord here. So we had first finger, 3rd fret the high E, 3rd finger, 5th fret the B, and 2nd finger, 4th fret of the G string. It's just an E minor chord. So the chords in the background of the song are the E minor chord we've just looked at. Top part of the D chord, we have 10 on the high E, 10 on the B, 11 on the G. Move this shape down 2 frets to a C chord, 1 more fret to a B. So E minor, D, C, and B. There's also an alternative riff in this song. It starts off the same with a slide into 9 on the G, grabbing 8 on the B, then we slide it from 10 to 12 on the B, and then 10 down to 8 on the B. Repeat this exactly the same. The third time through, we have the slide in 9 and then 8 on the B, and this time we just slide it from 10 to 12 on the B before going back to the start of the riff. And that repeats. To finish this riff, we slide up to 9 on the G, grab 8 on the B, slide up to 10 to 12 on the B, and then just hit 8 on the B.